Okay, so I just recorded like 5 minutes of audio that didn't take at all. Um, Thank God it's Friday. This is just a little short, it's not even a haul video. About a month ago, I uh, joined an Instagram contest from Deep Red Stamps, and much to my surprise, ended up winning the exact box that I wanted. They had two prize boxes, and I won the one with the stamp selection that I really wanted. I enjoy Deep Red Stamps. I really like their stamps. They're very high quality red rubber stamps. A lot of them are very detailed, and um, they have a lot of kind of vintage theme stamps, which is that's kind of my that's kind of my thing. I really enjoy the kind of vintage feel stuff, and I like to use stamps to make DIY embellishments. I apologize for my weird camera angle here and for my cluttered craft desk. You can see some of my favorite planner stamps there to the right, or sorry, to the left of the box. This packaging material, I ended up just folding that up and stashing it away. I'm such a pack rat sometimes, but I'm going to end up using that probably for a mixed media project. And so this first stamp I used almost right away to make a thank you card for Deep Red Stamps for having that contest. That's going to definitely see some more use in the future. So they included a little biplane stamp and a tree stamp. The tree stamp is going to get probably quite a lot of use because I scrapbook a lot about hikes that my husband and I go on. So yeah, definitely a lot of nature stuff. And this has got my mother-in-law written all over it. I had to go show my husband after I pulled that out of the box. Uh, yeah, that's definitely going to end up on a card or something for my mother-in-law because she's been a seamstress for a very long time. And she's a very good seamstress. I just used this little bicycle stamp for the first time to create a DIY embellishment. Very cute. Oh, that brings back memories. I'm dating myself, but yeah, we didn't have a remote control in my house until I was about 10 years old. Um, yeah, that peacock feather stamp, I used that stamp that was probably the first one I used. I used it almost right away in a planner layout. Very cute, very highly detailed. And this little clock stamp, I just used it with the bicycle stamp actually for some DIY embellishments. Now, this doohickey here, I did not think I was going to get nearly as much use out of it as I have. I thought, I'm going to get a lot of use out of the stamps. I don't know what I'm going to do with this machine. Turns out it's actually very intuitive to use. They sent several cartridges of laminating material and different kinds of adhesive. There's some permanent adhesive in there, and there's some non-permanent adhesive that I'm probably going to use maybe for some masking. Stamp some images and then use fussy cut them out and use them as masks to create some layered stamping. But the Xyron machine is actually, I didn't watch any YouTube videos on how to use it. I didn't look anything up. I literally just popped the thing open and said, that's how that works, and pulled the laminating material cartridge that was in it out and popped a fresh permanent adhesive material cartridge in. And I don't think I've done a planner layout since then that I did not have something that I created with the Xyron machine. Whether I fussy cut out some flowers from the Zella Teal collection from Prima and ran them through the Xyron or what have you. I may even end up buying a smaller Xyron just because this one is a little bit big for most of what I do. It feels like a lot of the material is getting wasted. But perhaps a smaller Xyron machine, I wouldn't feel like I was wasting so much adhesive material. So I'm laying it all out here, and I did not realize how wonky that camera angle was, or that so much of what I was showing you is off camera. So I'm sorry about that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a lovely day.